Hi everyone, myself Niranjana. Welcome to my Fusion Food channel. Basically, I love any type of crunch in a cake or ice cream. So why not try it with mousse? So today I show you your super easy chocolate mousse with Oreo crunch with its step-by-step process. So let's look at this recipe. At first, I take 6 Oreo and crush it within a zipper bag. Here I don't crush this Oreo finely. Now take full fatted whipped cream. Normally I use Gold Premium whipped cream to make this chocolate mousse. I shared this link in the description box. You can also purchase it from there. Here I use ice cube to keep it cool. Now beat the heavy whipped cream by a beater. Now take some whipped cream in a glass and 2 tablespoons of dark melted chocolate and mix it well. Here you can use any type of normal chocolate. In the other bowl, take 2 tablespoons of white melted chocolate and added some whipped cream and mix it well. Now take your desired glass and add some crushed Oreo for making a layer. After then add some whipped cream for making another layer and add 2 sponge chocolate cake on it. I share sponge chocolate cake recipe in the description box. You can check it over there. Now again repeat this process. So add some chocolate whipped cream, crushed Oreo, some white chocolate whipped cream, 2 sponge chocolate cakes and chocolate whipped cream on it. I wanted to make this Oreo crunch mousse more delicious. So finally I add some melted dark chocolate and crushed dark chocolate on it. Now this delicious chocolate mousse with Oreo crunch ready to serve your loved one and enjoy. If you like our recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave your suggestion and comment in the comment section below. You can also hit the subscribe button to get this type of recipe. And don't forget to share this recipe to your loved one. Thanks for watching this video. নাম বুঝ হয়ে গেছে